Brad Bisnet here with Cole Publishing, and I am chatting with Dave from General Pipe Cleaners. Dave, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great.
Good to see you again. And we've got the Flexi-Rooter 100 here, correct?
Yes, we do.
Dave, what's going to set this apart from any other drain cleaning machine I'm going to come across on the market?
Well, as you know, flex shaft technology is something completely different. It uses high speed in order to cut through obstructions in a drain, as opposed to just brute force or torque.
Okay.
This is really nice because we have a proprietary flexible shaft that goes through the middle of this and a sheath that nobody else is using. Plus, we put it together in ways that actually preserve its durability, allow you to actually do more work down the drain. So what you have here is something that is going to do jobs from 2 to 4 inch very effectively. We'll show you how it goes through from small to large and does a great job on that. And it will do 75 feet or under. Most of the jobs, the vast majority of jobs that you end up doing are 75 feet or under. And this will do a better job. It's lighter, it's safer, and it has a lot of applications. In addition to cutting through, let's say, roots or paper products and turning them to sawdust in the pipe like a weed whacker, this thing will actually do descaling. It'll do pipe prep, milling. So it will prepare you to do a pipe relining job. So it has a lot of different applications, and we think it's the wave of the future.
And not having to rely just purely on the brute force has got to make it last a lot longer, I would think.
Yeah, there are things, everything on here is replaceable. That's another thing. This is field repairable. And,
awesome.
And not everybody can say that. So field repairable, it will do actually more work. You can get more forward momentum on it and cut through more obstructions down the drain because it's tougher. And basically it will do everything that you're looking for it to do. It can become your go-to machine.
And if the operator can fix it themselves in the field, that saves a heck of a lot of time.
Most of the time, that's true, yeah.
And you mentioned that you could run this here for us. You have a little demo set up?
Yeah, I do. So let's take a look at this.
Okay.
What we have here is a little test rig. It goes from 2 inch, and it has some 90s, 3 90s here on a 2 inch pipe, and it goes into a 4 inch pipe. So you can just see how this works. Now we have this set up for, as if we're hunting for bear. We start with a ClogChopper. We're the only ones that have this, and this acts as a really great starting tool, and it'll cut through anything in the pipe, especially at high RPM. We sell a ton of these for our snake style machines. At high RPM, they do 10 times the work. But you can see how the chain can flare out, okay? And this gives it flexibility to go from small to large, right? So just to shove it down here, and if you're having trouble getting it around a bend, you just turn it on. We have a foot pedal in our machine, which is good, so you can use both hands on the flexible shaft and also use it with a camera. Okay, so I'll put this on the ground, step on it, and it just bumps it around the bends. We call it a bump and run. So if you're having trouble getting around a bend, let's push it all the way through. You can see it, it goes around 2 inch 90s and sweeps really, really easy. But when it gets to the 4 inch, you can see that it does a great job in a 4 inch. Also, it actually will go out and flare out, and actually to be able to do the job from 2 to 4 inch. Not every machine can do that.
Well, Dave, I have to say I'm impressed. Where can somebody go to find more information?
Well, you can call the Drain Brains at 800-245-6200, or you can go on drainbrain.com, our website. We've got all kinds of information and videos on that website. So, yeah, thank you very much.
This has been fantastic,
You
Dave.
bet. Thank you.
Take care.